Hello, my name is Mayra Alejandra Pestana Flores. I am 25 years old and I am original from the beautiful city of Monteria, Córdoba. I currently reside in the municipality of Guadalupe, Antioquia. I am civil engineer by profession and with great enthusiasm and pursue my second degree in environmental engineering at the prestigious University of Antioquia. While working at the local mayor's office, I want to extend a very special greeting to the entire community of the University of Antioquia. It is a true honor for me to be part of an institution so renowned for its academic excellence and its invaluable contribution to society. Being a student of UDA is a source of pride that I carry with me every day. Through this video, I want to spread my interest in a commitment to the environmental engineering program. I am very grateful for the for the opportunity you have given me to study here. I am confident that my skill and my passion for the environmental will contribute positive to the university community. You might be wondering what a typical day is like for me, where it is quite busy. My day starts at 5:30 a.m. I get up, get ready, and prepare breakfast to start the day with the energy. Right after that, I log into my first virtual university classes. Next, I head to my home, the major office. My work here is a very dynamic. Some days I am in the office managing projects and plans, and other days I travel to different rural areas of the municipality. At 12 o'clock sharp, I take a break for lunch. At 1 p.m., I resume my double shift. I continue with my work responsibility while also attending more virtual classes. It is a challenge by my passion for what I do makes it all possible. At 5 p.m., my work day ends and I head back home. But the days it is over yet. After getting settled, I go to the gym. Sport are essential for me. It is my time to recharge and stay healthy and focused. Besides the gym, I'm also passionate about music, and in my free time, I love to play Ultimate Frisbee. Thank you very much for your time and for allowing me to share a little bit of my story with you. See you soon.